Hey folks, so this is going to be a this is going to be a voiceover introduction. We're going to do a voiceover telling you about how I maintain my beard health, how I make it look so pretty. So just want you all to know this is how we do these. Hanging out in the bed like bums, ready, willing, and able. All right, let's start. Okay, all right, so we got 3 minutes here. Let's make this happen. So the first thing you do, you start out with wet hair. All right, this is Gurzel, our product Gurzel. I made a big mess, spilt a lot, wasted a lot, so I decided to keep it for myself. I understand. It was my fault. I'm sorry, sir. So we got the Gurzel there. I'm using that with a butter today. And boom, you just snowman up the beard. You see that? Snowman the beard. Now my beard is soaking wet. It is nice and warm. All the hair is ready to go. It is set and ready to go. So I'm using the butter right there, massaging it in, just making sure I get it everywhere as much as possible as I can with my thick fingers. Then I'm taking a comb. This is our Afro Power Pick, the regular one. I'm using this not so much for detangling purposes, but as you can see, it is detangling beautifully. I'm using it more so for just transferring the oils, you know? Just look to see the teeth are smaller than my fingers, so it makes it easier to transfer more of the oils there. So I'm just moving that stuff around. Right. Exactly. Yeah. So that's how I'm doing that right there. Just moving the oils around, making sure all the oils are getting around through there. Because right, you're right. Because as we talked about, you know, when it comes down to oil transference, our wooden combs do a better job than you know, metal combs or plastic combs. So that's where the whole process comes in. Right. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I started talking to Chris here. Chris started asking me questions. So this is where we're at. No, yeah, exactly. So again, I'm just going through here, just massaging it. See, this is the whole purpose of this, just to massage the area, to make sure that the oils are getting through, to increase blood circulation, increase blood flow. Just massaging. Here, I like to do this for about a good 60 seconds to about a minute. About a minute and a half, right? Yeah, that's right? Yeah, about a minute and a half. I do it for about a minute and a half just to make sure. Yeah, that is me. That is Dad. Yes, that is Dad on the screen. Yes. All right, so now I'm going to grab the brush, the Sisal brush here. All right, so real quick. So a lot of folks use boar hair brushes, right? Boar hair brushes are cool. They do a great job, but the one thing about boar hair brushes is when it comes to wet hair, they cause a lot of split ends. So you want to stay away from that if possible. And we have a Sisal brush that's made of agave plant fiber, and that's what I'm going to use here. Now I'm going to brush. And the key to this is just kind of constraining, conditioning the hair to lay it down. Yeah, dude, totally. You got to lay it down flat, right? To get like a longer looking beard, you got to lay it down flat. So you take the beard and you just go over it. Okay, yeah. Right, so you see right there, buddy? You see how I'm brushing that real slow, getting that in there, making sure that that's working. Because the one thing about a Sisal brush is like a medium hard texture. And it goes to about a medium when you use it, you know, in the shower and stuff like that. But the cool thing about it is it makes its way all the way down to the skin. So as you're brushing, it does an amazing job of getting rid of any dead skin cells that may have missed. Right, yeah. So you gotta get rid of dead skin cells. That's really important, buddy. If you don't get rid of dead skin cells, you're gonna start having ingrown hairs and stuff. So I'm using the brush for that reason right there, just trying to get all that in there. And also styling it up. I'm not gonna lie, I look great. I mean, I look fantastic. So that's one of the things you wanna do is, look, see, buddy? It's gonna be you one day. You have a beard like that one day. You just gotta make sure you take care of it. You gotta brush it, you gotta comb it. And right here, I'm just showing you all the length real quick, so you can see where my chin actually is. Yeah, dude, that is awesome. Thanks, buddy. So I don't know if this test really works, but that's how long it is at the moment. Just letting it flow out real quick for a little bit, let it do its thing. So yeah, thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel. Love you all so much, and have a great day.